Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Clipchamp buffering problems. Let's get started. Sometimes buffering happens because Clipchamp hasn't fully loaded your video clips. Check your timeline and media library. If a video seems stuck or not displaying, right-click and remove the file, then re-upload it from your device. This helps refresh any media that failed to load properly. Clipchamp requires a valid account to export videos. If you're not logged in, you may face delays or export errors. Go to the top right and confirm you're signed in. If not, create or sign into your Clipchamp account. Without logging in, export functions may be limited or disabled. Clipchamp is a browser-based editor, so your internet speed matters. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Avoid using Clipchamp on public or slow networks. Refresh the page if things are taking too long to load. If needed, restart your router or switch to a better connection. For bonus tips, try clearing your browser cache, or use Google Chrome for best compatibility, or restart your browser or system if Clipchamp freezes. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.